We're at the Cadillac Ranch. Getting ready to go down and paint a Cadillac, as if I don't paint enough cars and motorcycles. Well, here we are. Cadillac Ranch. That's all spray paint built up on them wheels, making them round like that.
Yeah,
The world famous Cadillac Ranch, everybody. I hope that girl over there is painting something and not taking a pee. Unfortunately, it's a little wet out there today. Can I walk through?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, this is crazy. You gotta love that spray paint buildup. Cadillac Ranch. Wonder where the bunny ranch is. Is this bring your own paint deal here, or what? Is there somewhere to get some?
We are just.
I think you can use.
Oh, just laying around?
Just paint it.
I hope my grandsons don't see this because they got in trouble for spray painting my garage. Love your neighbor. Now there's a message for you. So we got IBC on here. And there's bats. At the Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, Texas. Don't paint me. Well, little brother, our names are on a Cadillac at the Cadillac Ranch. Family name. And we are headed back out to get on the bikes and hopefully make some more time today and find a few more sights on 66 on our way home from the Grand Canyon. That's actually good to say, on our way home from the Grand Canyon. So we got there, we did it. And now our legs are sore, our asses are sore, everything got sore. But we are approaching 3,000 miles on the bikes. 3,000 miles of seat time so far. Anybody else got 3,000 miles of seat time on one trip under their butts? Comment below. So here we are, Cadillac RV Park. And we got the Second Amendment cowboy here at the RV Cadillac Park. A couple 6-shooters there.